And now we are chopping beans.
Video teasing and teasing.
Who will cut smaller? Competition going on between the mother and the daughter.
Who will chop?
We chop. Chop means eat.
I think I'm going to win this one. Who's going to chop smaller? Chop it smaller. I'm going to win this one.
Go.
Yes.
దీంట్లో గీతలు పడ్డాయి.
ఇక్కడ
I broke it. I broke my
అయ్యో
camera screen, my iPhone screen.
గోపితివో
నాకు చూపించక్కర్లే.
పచ్చిదేసేస్తానండి చాక్ కాల్సి వచ్చింది
Mom,
అల్లం వేయమన్నారు కదా
ఇంకోటి లేదా?
talking.
లేదండి అక్కడ
కట్టలేదు.
She's saying, where's the knife? And then Mom said, their house is full of knives. Why can't you find one?
I'm rather afraid because I cut my finger
Yes.
the other day.
Mom
So I'm trying
sliced
to be
your
careful.
finger a little bit. Literally.
Normally we
How to
prefer fresh vegetables instead of canned ones.
Right. In India, they use fresh vegetables. They don't use canned vegetables. They cook with fresh vegetables. Ma, I think I beat you at the.
Good morning. Kaasa
Usual season. So, this is how we middle class folks roll.
ఇడ్లీ పిండిలో కూడా
day-to-day life.
ఉప్పు వేసేసా అనుకుంటా ఒకసారి టేస్ట్ చేసి అదే ఇంక మళ్ళా కలపకు ఒకసారి టేస్ట్ చేసి చూడు.
దీనిలో రావించగల సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఫేవరెట్ ఏమిటంటే ఇడ్లీ.
ఇవాళ
We're done.
టమాటో పప్పు బీన్స్ కూర.
అమ్మా
We're going to have
ఆంటీ పద్మ
బీన్స్ కూర ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నానంటే దొండకాయ కూర ఎవరు నోబడి షుడ్ టచ్. జ్యోతిస్ ఐవీ గోల్డ్.
అందుకే
టమాటోలు కూడా కట్ చేసేస్తాయి.
నేను కట్ చేసుకుంటాను ఇచ్చేయండి
ఉరికనే ఉన్నాం కదా నువ్వు ఇడ్లీలు పోసుకో. ఐ థింక్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ us won.
yes.
In spite of my arthritis,
Yes. She has severe
Fingers.
arthritis.
because I want to win the game contest.
Yes. She really did.
Yes.
Okay, you win the cheese balls, Mom.
అంటే cheese balls.
She won. You win the cheese balls.
ఈ కొయ్యండి
ఇంకో రెండు ఇచ్చా టమాటో పప్పు చేద్దాం.
Oh, we're going to make tomato soup. Tomato dal.
ఇంకా పాతవి ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Lentil soup.
టమాటోస్
So it's
పాత
lentil
ఉంటే
soup.
ఇచ్చేయి.
టమాటాలండి
ఇంకా పాత ఉన్నాయా?
Tomatoes.
లేవండి
టమాటో పప్పు బీన్స్ కూర.
ఎంత ఫైన్గా కావాలి టొమాటోస్? Oh, quite big. I asked her how finely I should chop the tomatoes.
చాలు కదా ఇవి
చాలదు మన అలాగే మాడిపోయింది.
Sharpen English.
Family here.
Everyone is
Everyone is busy. We're having a good time.
I think I cut better than you.
Of course you did. You're the expert.
These are red tomatoes. This is slightly not red. That's why it looks bright.
She cheated. That's why. Just saying. Mom got the advantage.
Baroda. Fruits. Fruits of labor. Laborious fruits.
Fruits of your labor. Nobody says vegetables of labor. I said nobody says vegetables of labor. We say fruits of labor.
No, they said vegetables. It just didn't catch on.
No, put it down.
Fruits are palatable.
Try it. See how it cuts? Make one little thing smaller.
Vattiga tumavala.
Is that any better?
Yes, it's much better. Still sticks, but it's better.
Not the tip. You have to cut. The tip is totally broken. You have to cut with
Tomato ఒకప్పుడు ఒక రకమైన సువాసన ఉండేది.
and the base.
It's good.
That's it. The tip is damaged.
It's better.
The tip of the blade is damaged.
టొమాటో పప్పు.
My husband fixed that.
Somebody used like a grinder or something else, but the tip of the knife is damaged.
So there you go, folks. We just chopped vegetables. And that is it for today.